Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So I thought I'd make another 1-minute recipe, and today I'm gonna make the 1-minute chocolate chip mug from Bangla, I think is the YouTube channel. I will link to that down below. I went ahead and got the ingredients ready. So it's really kind of easy. It's just a tablespoon of sugar, a tablespoon of brown sugar, and a tablespoon of butter. And I went ahead and melted the butter and mixed the brown sugar in with it. 1 egg yolk, just the yolk. 3 tablespoons of flour, a pinch of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips. So let's go ahead and mix this up. You only microwave this for 1 minute. So we're going to put in our sugar, and then we're going to put in our butter and brown sugar mixture here. And then we're going to put in our egg yolk, which my egg yolk broke when I was separating it. Of course, our flour. And like I said, I will put the recipe that I got from Tbsp down in the description, along with the link to the video that I watched. A pinch of salt, about that much. We're gonna do a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This is imitation. I assume that that's fine. I'm gonna say that's about a 1/4 teaspoon. 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda. So I'm just going to use the 1/4 teaspoon and just do half of that. I'm definitely interested to see, I'm doing about that much, how this comes out. And then 2 tablespoons, I'm using semi-sweet chocolate chips. You can use whatever chips you want, obviously. Curious to see how this comes out. 1 and 2. So we will go ahead and give this a mix. Starting to get like a cookie dough consistency. I'm just gonna mix this up really well. Yeah, it's definitely a cookie dough consistency. Until all your ingredients are combined. I don't know. Theirs looked a little bit more liquidy. It did say a large egg or extra large egg. I had extra large eggs, but you know, eggs are all different sizes. All right. Well, it looks a little bit different, and if you watch the other video, you will see that. That's what I got. It looks like a cookie dough. It tastes like a cookie dough. That tastes good. Now we're just gonna microwave it for a minute and then see what happens. And 1 minute. Let's see what we got. Looks like a chocolate chip. It looks like a chocolate chip. I don't know. We'll see in a minute. Let me clean off my spoon while this is cooling off, and then we're gonna try it. All right. So this has like more of a cake kind of consistency. But here goes. That's good. That's really good. Bite number 2. This is really good. Wow. It's so hot. Y'all gotta try this. Thanks, Spice Bangla. Bite 3. So yeah, if you can see, it kind of has a cake-like consistency. but it's cooked. It's moist. It's really good. Yeah, so give this a try. What do you have to lose? A few ingredients? All right, guys. Well, listen, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.